Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is Financial Friday. Financial Friday. Financial Friday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y'all can tell I'm in a good mood. Let me invite some friends. Invite some friends. Make sure you guys invite. Make sure you share because it's Financial Friday. I'm looking out the window, see who that is. Is that your mama, Joker? See.
Where?
It's Financial Friday. Come on in, y'all. Come on
That's
on.
Papa.
Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Join the crowd. Okay, join the crowd. So give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes to invite. Y'all, I was too lazy to go in my dining room and get ready. Get ready for everyone. Hush, boy. Get ready for everyone. He's talking about, do we have a dining room?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, we have a dining room,
Right
a
there?
kitchen, where you eat at the table, where you don't supposed to really eat, but I let you eat.
Oh yeah, that's a dining room.
Bye, Joe.
Nah.
So anyway, I'm glad that you guys have joined me. I'm so glad that you are joining me every single day. And after a while, I'm going to be mostly doing the YouTube thing. So you're going to be joining me over there as well as over here because I really want to get my fan base up and I really want to make some money. Hey, I'm letting people come in. So y'all come in is afternoon motivation. And I really want y'all to come on in, stay with me for a while. All right. So Financial Friday. Tell me what has been good with you guys, what y'all been doing, because I got so much to talk about. I don't even know if I want to share it all today, but so much. Yes, come on in. I'm waiting for my numbers to kind of go up, y'all. But anyway, so I was let me tell you something that happened for me. Happened for me. And I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Something I have. Go.
You just barked at me.
Go. Something short and sweet that happened to me. I visualized a number, just a number of what I wanted to manifest, the money that I wanted to manifest for me in my life. And yesterday, I visualized $400. Right. So as I was visualizing that, I was like thinking to myself, well, where would that come from? That was one mistake, but that's all right. God does not hold that against us, right? God has mercy on us all the time. And so I kept visualizing the number. Then after a while, I let it go.